Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another binary option trading, binary option strategy video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math. And a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. And in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, you know, we have weekend and that is time to do some kind of recap videos, yes, of those kind of trades which I have already done. For this reason, I'm showing you a video which I have already done, and I will explain this more in detail, why I took a trade, yes, and all those kind of things, which kind of pages of the ebook are relevant for this kind of video, and what should be the primary target to study and to practice out of the, because I got so often the question, where do we gonna start? Yes, what are the most important videos? And I can show only and see only and say only that those one which I'm naming in this kind of binary option trading series here, that are the most important ones, yes, and I will cover them also if they will come up, yes. I can say in general that you should be, yes, you should understand those kind of concepts which are at the beginning of the ebook, and almost those one which are the one of the last one before the high probability trading setup starts, yes. Obviously that kind of market condition, what time of time you have to trade, yes, what kind of market and what all kind of time and day you should avoid to trade. What kind of market condition, yes, the general conditions, yes, and then the specific conditions where you should avoid trading, yes, because I get almost often this kind of questions, yes, and most of the trades you are you're gonna do is because you trade in this kind of market condition. You are not experienced enough, yes, and you trade in this kind of market condition which will lead you to out of the money, because you are not waiting for this kind of market conditions, yes, because you have to be patient to be successful on trading. So you need to seek this kind of market condition, not those one, yes. Then obviously this here, which leads often also in out of the monies by hair. Yes, because you go and you enter in the purchase time on the movement, yes, then price will trace back, yes, or you enter on the rejection and then price starts to continue, yes. That is what I have explained in this kind of running candle, predict the running candles and prediction on the direction of the running candle, yes. That is what you should understand. In the purchase time, if you are doing continuation, the purchase time movement should be against your trade direction, and then will be the expiration time. In the expiration of the trade go in the right direction. Then the entry point, another often done wrong thing, yes, because you are not patient, you are recklessness, you enter in the wrong at the wrong entry point, yes. Mostly it goes in hand with this one here. You got the down movement, you enter into this trade, and do forget that you have to enter above the closing price of the previous candle, but you enter on the movement downwards, so you enter below the closing price of the previous candle, and then you ask yourself, what is happening here? Yes, why is price is going above this? Why is this candle not ending green, not ending red? It's end green, and you get out of the money. I have shown you this often in my live trading videos and often in my videos here about the binary option trading. Yes, and you have seen almost often, if I would not do this kind of things here with the entry point, I would get almost often out of the money by hair. Yes, that is true. That is the reality. Yes, you have to understand this kind of things here about the entry point. That is important. And don't to enter too fast. You have to wait that price retrace back below or above the previous candle closing price. So then this kind of things, which is how to predict or how to read the running candles. Yes, where those candles shows, you know how this candle should unfold. Yes, if it doesn't unfold like expected, you can expect a reversal. That is a sign that the trend is stalling, that the trend is finishing. Yes, and that is the reason why you should enter into a reversal trade. Obviously, the upper shadow should be larger than the real body, and the lower shadow, then the probability, yes, is much higher. The same is valid for the reversal in the uptrend. Yes, the lower shadow should be greater than the real body and the upper shadow, yes, to get a better confirmation and a higher probability of this kind of behavior. So, and then obviously the prediction of the next candle based on the previous candle, which is showing you here in detail that if, and I have shown you this also a lot of time in live trading videos, yes, and also in those kind of binary option trading videos, where such kind of behavior, you get an evening star, then you get a bullish retracement, yes, which holds one candle, and after this, if the upper shadow is bigger than the real body, yes, and the lower shadow, then you can go into a trend continuation, because this candle is showing you that the downtrend will start. This candle is showing you that the downtrend will start. That candle here is showing you that the downtrend will start, and that is what this is about. These candles are showing this, but it doesn't mean that exactly the next candle will be a bearish one. Yes, the same is valid for the lower one here. It doesn't mean that the next candle will be a bullish one. It is only a sign that there will come up a trend. If you are doing higher time trade, higher expiration time trades, yes, with 2 or 3 minutes, you can enter after such kind of candles into a longer expiration time trade, yes, and then it will most of the time get out in the money, only because those kind of candlesticks are showing you that there will come up some kind of trend. The same is valid also for chart pattern. Yes, double top, double bottom. It doesn't mean that the next candle after a double top breakout is 100% a bearish one. Yes, it's only a sign. It can finishing also if the closing price of the previous candle is deeper than the neckline, that there will come up some kind of retracement like this, for example. And after this, the trend of the double top, the downtrend will continue. Yes, that is what the reality is. That is what you should be aware about. So, and then obviously the part about the candlestick analysis, how you have to analyze your trading setup. I have done here only, I have took here only a few of those kind of analysis parts, which are only a symbol for those things which you should do before you enter into a trade. The numeration here, 1, 2, 3, 4, could be various. Yes, it's not necessary that you do this in this order, but those steps are those one which you should cover before entering into a trade. So, okay, that was it. So let me see what I have prepared here. I prepared this kind of video, and I will do play, and as soon there is something to explain, I will enter into, I will stop this video, and then I will, I will explain what's going on. So we have here, I entered into a trade, wait. So we have here ranging market, yes. You see how the price here, this is the ranging market here, that is the trading range. Yes, this is a trading range. And you see here minor downtrend, minor uptrend, minor downtrend with the consolidation area at this level. And this is nothing else like a double double top, yes, here double top breakout of the neckline, retest of the 200 EMA, yes, and because we have here a downtrend starting, yes, you see the 20 EMA is crossing the 50 and crossed also the 100 and is also on the way to cross the 200. That means that we have a nice downtrend here coming up, and that is the reason why I entered here into a put after this kind of long shadow hammer, yes. And if this would not have been this kind of market condition, I would not have done a put here. Yes, but I understood from this kind of behavior of this EMAs and the double top here that the downtrend will continue, and that was the reason why I entered here into a put. So let me do a little bit fast forward, as this video will be so long. Okay, I can run it. It goes down, you see, it's going down, yes. Yes, and nice victory candle, yes. So, and yes, and then I entered immediately into a call, and you see why I did enter into a call. Here we have a nice extreme level, yes, a half an hour ago, the same what I have explained before. Half an hour ago, yes, here we have no price action on the left, no price action here, nothing, yes. So this kind of candle is, or this kind of area is a nice extreme level, from which you can expect that price will reverse from it, yes, because there was no price action on the left for an half an hour, and also, yes, and also this candle here closed on the same high like this one here, yes. That means that was the reason why I understood that this will be a reversal. If this candle would have been gone down till this level here, for example, I would wait till price got above this level again, and then I would enter into a put. After the rejection from this resistance level. Yes, that is what you should do. Put option on resistance in a downtrend and call option on support in an uptrend. So let me fast forward a little bit, because so the video will not be too long, and we will focus. So after this reversal here, I enter into a call. Why I'm entering into a call? Because we have a pre-long downtrend, a really long downtrend. After such kind of long downtrend, you can expect that the reversal or the retracement will hold longer than only one candle, yes. And so I entered immediately into a put, as I got a better entry point. You see, I'm always catching the best entry point, and the best entry point is here, what, exactly below the closing price of the previous candle. And as soon price got below the closing price of the previous candle, I entered into a call, because I was pretty much sure that price will now go up again, yes, after this reversal, in direction of the neckline of this double top, or later on this double top, yes, because we have here one double top, another double top, yes. And first of all, price will try to go back to this neckline, and after this it will most probably continue to going up to this neckline, yes, to do then the pullback and continuing to going down. And then we have here such kind of ranging market. So, and if for those one who yes, who wants to do here candlestick math, yes, we have here, look at this. We have here, we get this here, opening price, closing price, yes, and what's this? Yes, this all candles are nothing else than dragonfly doji, yes, and after this dragonfly doji we get here a bearish hammer, yes, that is what I read here. Yes, and if you want to see this in some other manner, you can say also we have here a bearish candle. Yes, this is a bearish candle. This is again a bullish candle, and then we get another bearish candle. So what do we have here? Consolidation area on a higher time frame. Yes, that is what you should understand on the candlestick math stuff. So after this, I did a call here because I was expecting that price would go up. It moves up, but above the support and resistance level, which I have drawn here. Yes, here this support and resistance area. Yes, and then after this, I decided to enter immediately again into a call after I saw this kind of rejection here, yes, and this flat 200 EMA, and that is exactly what I have explained before. Price is ranging around the 200 EMA and market is ranging, and that was the reason why I entered here into a call. So let me fast forward a little bit. Yes. So, and yes, and that was it already. Yes. So, okay, if you like this video, do a like, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And if you didn't have subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And so I would say, stay safe and bye bye.